Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. A very happy new year to my YouTube family. I know it is a little bit late, yet all week long we can wish each other the happy wishes. As it is first video of this year, I would like to share the sweet treat recipe that is New York style cheesecake. You can see beautiful snow everywhere. All these clips are from the 1st of January. 31st night it was snowing. Very beautiful morning and a very beautiful start for us here in Canada as a happy new year. The recipe I am going to share is nothing but the cheesecake recipe. Multiple times I tried at home, then finally I am sharing you the best recipe today. Do not skip any part of the video. Perfect recipe with perfect tips I am going to share. I have taken 750 grams of cream cheese and 5 tablespoons of flour, that is maida or all-purpose flour. Sour cream also I will be taking 5 tablespoons and sugar is 3/4 cup and half cup of whipping cream, vanilla essence, little bit of salt, that is a pinch, and 4 eggs. These are the ingredients, very clear. First let's mix the crust. The crust is also very important for cheesecake. I have taken some 12 biscuits. These are Digestive Mari Indian brand it is. To that I have added handful of walnuts and I will be just crushing it once, and then I will be adding some 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Butter 3 tablespoons will be more than enough. Just you see if all the cookies are nice and soggy, that's more than enough. It's beautiful. Nice, fragrant and aromatic it will be. First we have to set it up in the baking tray. Nicely press it and you have to bake it at 350 Fahrenheit just for 10 minutes. Before that I will share. See, you can see lot of baking sheet or the parchment paper I have put over here. That's for a reason. While making cheesecake, always if you don't have that clip type of baking tray, right, it is very difficult. But to make myself easy, I have taken normal 9-inch baking tray. In that only I am going to make the cheesecake today. In my stand mixer, I have taken the cream cheese and cream cheese. With that we should add sugar also in the first itself. This is 3/4 cup sugar. If you like more, you can put 1 full cup also, but I am keeping always little low. After just 2 minutes, start adding the sour cream. Sour cream also I will be adding 5 tablespoons heaped. If you want, you can add 1 or 2 extra spoons also, no worries. In between, multiple times stop and scrape all the sides right till the bottom and then carry on. Then only everything will mix together. Otherwise in the bottom it will be there like that, lumps like. Now I have added 5 tablespoons of the flour, little bit a pinch of salt and heavy whipping cream, half a cup. That's all. Again nicely we will mix all the ingredients. Do not mix too much. Then only it will crack. That is cream cheese at the final stage. Now you have seen I have added the vanilla essence and eggs. Eggs, don't add all the eggs at one time. One by one, slowly you add. Once the last egg you have added, right, instantly in a minute off. Do not mix after adding eggs too much. If you mix, right, then sure you will have a very dense and a very heavy cake. We don't want like that. At the same time, if you mix too much, and there are certain reasons why the cake cracked, that also I will show you. Now the crust is nice and cold. First we started with that step. Now on that crust I have added the cream cheesecake mix. Nicely scrape everything. Pat it once or twice, again and again. If there is any air bubble inside, right, all will come up and they will nicely break. See there, you will see air bubbles, otherwise you will have a nice lot of cracks in them. Now I will bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes and after 10 minutes reduce the temperature to 280 Fahrenheit and keep it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I left it to cool completely for 1 hour. I saw a nice big crack. This is not okay for a cheesecake. Now see how I will fix it. I will take again 3 to 4 tablespoons of sour cream, little vanilla essence and 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar and nicely beat it and give one full layer. Fill up the cracks also, nicely pat it once and twice, and those cracks also will fill it up with this cream cheese and spread it nice and neat. If you do water bath while cooking itself, right, this crack won't come. I was little bit lazy and I didn't do the water bath method of cooking. Otherwise, we wouldn't have got this crack also. After giving this layer, just keep it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes, let it cool completely. Definitely wrap it with cling foil on top so that the surface of the cake does not become hard while you keep in the fridge. Now nicely cover it up and keep in fridge for overnight. Overnight keeping in fridge is best. Or if you are in emergency, at least minimum 4 hours you have to keep it in fridge. Then only you can start to serve. Now next day morning, I am preparing an awesome sauce. For that I have taken lot of strawberries and little bit of blueberries I am adding in them. Strawberries itself will be very beautiful. Little bit of sugar and water also I added in that. Nicely cook it, let it cool completely and put it in the blender and prepare a beautiful sauce. While blending it, you can use some water also to liquefy. That's all. This sauce is a very compliment for always cheesecake and all. Also for some waffles or even pancakes, this sauce will be nice. You can try it. Now see how beautiful the cheesecake is. See how I'm going to take with the help of this paper only. I'll just pull it up and it comes out. So we will transfer it to this tray where whatever I have kept it. See, very easily you can slide. If it is out of the fridge, very nicely you can handle it. Easily you can take off the paper and also slide it with the spatula like this. That's all. If you have that other kind of tray and all, right, with the clip on the side to release it out, the sides will be very neat and beautiful. I have that one in small size but not the large one, but I wanted to make large. This way you can garnish your cake very beautifully. You decorate it with blueberries, grapes, any fruits you have which you like. You can do raspberry, strawberry. Today I have used few of the fruits, and you dip them in honey. You will have a glaze on those fruits. That's another tip. You can see how I'm cutting it. I have kept nice steaming hot water. The water became little bit warm, that's why it is sticking by the side. Extremely hot water you should keep while cutting. Then you will get nice clean cut. Very clean it will come. As the water was little warm, little bit withery it is. You can see the other side and all, it's very nice when I started to cut, right? Now see, the syrup is also very much ready. This is also another star for this cheesecake. Very beautiful to look at, very tasty. I shared with few of my friends, and my kids' friends also came home. They all had it and told it's a very gourmet type of taste. Extremely, I have nailed it. I'm sure all of you will be able to do. Just follow each and every step as I have told. You will end up making lovely cheesecake of this kind. Hope you all like this recipe and will definitely try it too. I'm sure you also will be able to make the perfect cheesecake as I did. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Once again, a very happy new year to everyone.